Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to meet with us today. I'm here representing Micro-P Technology, your trusted OEM and ODM partner for dental handpieces. For more than 20 years, we've focused on just one thing: building handpieces that the world's best dentists can rely on every single day. We're ISO 13485 certified, FDA 510(k) cleared, and CE marked. In the next 10 minutes or so, I'll walk you through our story, our technology, our product lines, and the value we bring to our distribution partners. Micro-P Technology was founded in 2005 by our president, Dr. Stanley Wang, who holds a PhD in mechanical engineering. We were Taiwan's first technology-independent dental handpiece manufacturer, and we collaborate closely with the Mechanical Engineering Department of National Taiwan University. From our headquarters in Jiayi, our 25,000 square foot facility now produces over 500 SKUs across high-speed, electric, and surgical lines, reaching customers on 5 continents. Our core belief is simple: in medical devices, stability and safety are everything. Our journey has 3 chapters. First, the foundation, founded in 2005 in Jiayi, focused on precision spare parts by 2008, and recognized by U.S. customers in 2009. Second, innovation and growth. We launched the complete Halley high-speed series in 2012, made our IDS Cologne debut in 2015, and earned ISO 13485 CE and FDA 510(k) certifications between 2017 and 2018. Third, expansion, a brand new 25,000 square foot facility in 2019, FDA clearance for low-speed handpieces in 2021, and active expansion into Southeast Asia in 2023. Every step has been built to last. Independent R&D and precision machining are our biggest advantages. We started with components and built our way up to complete handpiece systems in just 10 years, a pace traditional players simply can't match. We stand apart in 4 ways. First, our own R&D produces over 100 rotor types compatible with 95% of handpieces on the market, and we're the only supplier offering 54 different coupling connections. Second, our patented NFG technology has clinically proven durability of more than 2 years. Third, our team averages 36 years old, agile, innovative, and responsive. Fourth, our per-person output is twice the industry average. That's the edge we pass on to our partners. Quality and safety are non-negotiable. We hold 4 key certifications: ISO 13485 issued by DNV, an internationally recognized third-party body, FDA 510(k) clearance for both our high-speed and low-speed handpieces, CE MDD compliance for the European market, and Taiwan's National Quality Management certification. Rigorous controls at every stage, from raw material to assembly to shipment, aren't just about meeting regulations. They're the foundation of long-term clinical trust. We offer a complete handpiece ecosystem, which means our distributors can serve every clinical application with a single trusted supplier. There are 3 main lines. First, air-driven high-speed turbines. Our Halley series supports multiple couplings including NSK, KaVo, and W&H, with over 100 compatible cartridges and rotors covering 95% of the global market. Second, electric handpieces, gear ratios from 1:1 up to 16:1, speeds ranging from 100 RPM all the way to 200,000 RPM, with internal 4-hole water spray. And third, surgical handpieces, purpose-built for implant and oral surgery, engineered for stability in the most demanding clinical environments. Now let me introduce our core technology, the patented NFG spindle. NFG stands for No Flying Burr Guarantee. During high-speed operation, an ejected burr is one of the leading causes of dental handpiece-related injuries. Our patented mechanism reliably retains the burr, eliminating that risk at the source, a critical patient safety feature. Beyond safety, NFG delivers exceptional durability, with clinically proven performance of more than 2 years, and precision machining for vibration-free operation. We offer over 100 compatible types covering all major brands: NSK, KaVo, Midwest, Morita, Bienair, Sirona, Star, W&H, and more. This is why 95% of the global aftermarket is within our reach. Let me walk you through 6 key design features of our Halley high-speed turbine. First, a chromium-coated grip increases friction for a secure, anti-skid hold. Second, an integrally modeled head, no welding seams, ensures superior build quality and prevents dust adhesion. Third, our twin impeller system significantly lowers noise while maintaining stable airflow. Fourth, non-notch fiber optics widen the irradiation angle for excellent visibility with less staining. Fifth, our one-touch press release back cap for fast burr changes. Micro P is the only manufacturer offering this design. And sixth, 4-hole water spray delivers superior cooling compared with 3-hole designs, and is less prone to blockage. Every detail is engineered for smoother, more confident clinical work. Moving on to our electric handpieces, especially the Halley 1-5 increasing contra-angle. There are 5 key features here. First, the Quattro spray system combines a flat fiber optic rod with 4 precise air water sprays, fast, even cooling at the burr tip and excellent visibility. Second, an integrally modeled head fully integrates the head and body, reducing dust adhesion and preventing oral fluid infiltration. Third, our safety touch design keeps the push-button head at a safe temperature, significantly lowering the risk of patient burns. Fourth, custom-designed ceramic ball bearings deliver extended service life and lower acoustic noise. Fifth, the compact and lightweight head improves posterior access, visibility, and handling, reducing hand fatigue. High torque, low noise, that's the charm of the Halley 1-5. Surgical handpieces, used in implant and oral surgery, demand the highest precision and torque, and they're a focus of our deepest engineering investment. For highlights here. First, an all-stainless steel gearbox delivers efficient power transfer with minimal heat buildup, dramatically extending component life. Second, a precision planetary gear module with 17 integrated ball bearings supports up to 90 Nm of torque while maintaining optimal transmission efficiency. Third, 10 more Nm of torque than other brands, and 26.6% better drilling efficiency. Fourth, our Kirschner-Meyer dual irrigation system combines external irrigation with an additional internal flow, maximizing cooling and ensuring patient safety. For the surgeon, this means more stability and more predictable clinical outcomes. Manufactured in Taiwan, trusted across 5 continents. Our products are distributed in dental practices across North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and beyond. In North America, our FDA-cleared products serve U.S. dental professionals at the highest standards. In Europe, CE-marked compliance ensures smooth entry into EU markets. Across the Asia-Pacific, our distributor network in Southeast Asia is growing rapidly. We stay close to the market through major exhibitions, IDS Cologne since 2015, and Taiwan Expo events in Thailand and Malaysia in 2023. These are tangible signs of our ongoing investment in global partnerships. Partnering with Micro P means more than buying products, it means gaining a long-term business partner. We support distributors on 6 fronts. First, OEM and ODM customization, private labeling and custom couplings, with reasonable minimum order quantities. Second, comprehensive training, for your sales teams and end users, on-site or remote. Third, full regulatory support, we help with product registration and compliance documentation in your local market. Fourth, competitive pricing, Taiwan manufacturing efficiency translates into superior margins. Fifth, dedicated support, a responsive team for inquiries, technical questions, and order processing. And sixth, exclusive territory rights, protected distribution areas for qualified partners, ensuring market stability and sustainable growth. Your success genuinely is our business. If you're ready to move forward, we've designed a clear 7-step onboarding process to get qualified distributors to market quickly and competently. From submitting your company profile, sharing your strategy and targets, defining your territory, reviewing terms, formalizing the partnership, providing regulatory support, all the way to production and training, you'll have a dedicated contact walking with you at every step. Thank you very much for your time today. If you have any questions, I'd love to discuss them now. My email and website are on this slide. and we look forward to building a long, successful partnership together.